Hey guys, Wix100 here, and I am going to show you another resource that can help you with programming and developing. This resource is called GitHub. I'm sure many of you know what GitHub is. It's a website that is actually now owned by Microsoft, which is why there's now GitHub cross program. There's GitHub features in Visual Studio now. Although I can't seem to get them to work. But GitHub is a website that allows you to host your code on a server using the Git protocol so that you could, one, work with a group or other people working off the same code, or if you have multiple computers or something, you can use it to make something on the one computer, upload it to GitHub, and then clone it onto your other computer, and then commit that, and then make changes and commit that to the repository. So, like right now, I am on the repository that hosts my website, wix100.github.io, and as you can see here, it shows you all the files, and it's organized in a nice way based on how the folders were organized when I committed it. If you click this bar, it actually tells you the percentage of different languages used. So there's 91.7% HTML and 8.3% CSS in here. I haven't used any JavaScript yet, so there won't be any, but once I add more features to the site, it will actually start saying percentage of JavaScript as well. And so you can clone or download a repository by downloading, opening Visual Studio, or opening in Desktop. And what that means is you can open it in GitHub Desktop, which is a program that you can download that allows you to clone a repository down to your computer so that you can work on the files, and then you can type up a summary and a description, click commit, which will queue your changes to be uploaded, and then click this button, which doesn't say when you've made changes. I think it says push. You can push it to the repository, which then uploads the files and changes to the server. To get GitHub Desktop, you go to GitHub, and I actually didn't think about this ahead of time, so it's somewhere on the GitHub website. Let me Google GitHub Desktop. There we go. It's simple. desktop.github.com, and then click download for Windows, or if you're using Mac or something else. And as you can see, there are examples and descriptions on what it does. And this is a great tool. Every time I will make a tutorial, I will be uploading it to my GitHub repository called, right now I have C# tutorials, but when I do Visual Basic, I will have one called VB tutorials, and if I do Java or anything else, I will make different repositories for that. So as you can see, Hello World Console and Hello World WinForms, and then I will make this more fancy eventually. I'm still learning the markup involved with this, but 100% C#. So that is GitHub. If you would like to know anything else, questions in the description, or you can go check out my Infinity Programming Discord, where there's all kinds of resources and help involved for programming, or if you want to help someone else, you can also go there to help someone else. Anything important is down in the description. My website, Patreon, Twitter, Twitch, my other YouTube channels. So go check that out. Leave a like, hit subscribe. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye guys.